Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to manage post visibility on TikTok. Alright guys, first of all, let's open up our TikTok application on our phone. And after we have our TikTok application opened, we can go to our profile. Click on this profile button and you can select a post you want to manage the visibility on, and I'm gonna go with this post. So we can click on the post, then click on this three dots, and here we can manage our post visibility. We can click on this privacy setting. Okay, and you can choose who can see your post. You can choose everyone, friends, or only you. And for example, I'm just going to make this post for only me, so we can click on only you, and then now the post visibility has been changed. And actually we can manage the post visibility before we upload our post. So I'm going to create a post on my TikTok, and then I'm just going to upload a photo from my device. For instance, I'm going to upload this photo. Okay, then we can click on the settings option, and here we can manage our post visibility. I'm going to make this post for my friends only, so I'm going to click on friends, then we can click on next to post this photo to our TikTok. Alright guys, and that's how we can manage post visibility on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.